Parker, Emily, Kimmy, Nick J, and Lubes on the line. And it is 1-0 HVAC. 1-0. Abby doesn't understand 1-0 as a Brit.
Zedro, actually.
And thank God we didn't capture that last point. There was
we did not score.
There was a defensive player that should have ran out of bounds to get that D, but said defensive player has to pick it up.
Got it, more neck. Yeah.
Emily and Nick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, my bad. Gotta control myself.
Alright. Start Nick.
Oh, Luke. So free. To Emily.
Yes.
Kimmy. It's a great mark by HVAC.
Oh, where are we going?
Lubes' vacuum cleaner. Oh, damn. Lubes is sucking it up. No, I'm just kidding. Never mind, that's a turn.
All right.
This is what gives me the rise to be at Frisbee in 90-degree heat.
Whatever works. Doesn't feel as hard as I thought. All right, you're good, Parker!
Also, just for the record, LVI had better trainers.
Turn!
The trainer that just dressed my wounds roasted me for the college that I went to. So, I'm feeling very insecure right now.
Go, Nick! Well.
And called me poor for going to the college that I went to.
So mean. That's genuinely such a bad thing to do. That's a bad person. Yay!
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about right there. The commentary.
Okay, we've got Matt, Hannah, Lex, Abby, Asa, Foley, and Aaron.
I have Abby's Saratoga glasses.
Nice.
Courtesy of Saratoga. They now owe me money for my sponsor. For sponsoring me.
Now for D. Nice.
Where is HVAC from?
HVAC I think might be New York. Timeout called.
Damn.
No, actually I think maybe they're DC.
Oh, that's a timeout. Is it timeout?
Yep, I think they're talking about the stall maybe. So someone must have taken an injury. I don't know who though. Wait, yeah, so who came in? Alright.
Does look like there's Lex.
Alright, this is tapping in. Good D, Abby. Yes. Oh, that's good pressure. Whew.
This guy allegedly likes to shimmy a lot.
He does. Cool. That's
score.
good. That's good offense.
Emily going to play O-line. Dog. We have Lex, Kate, Peaches, Emily, Parker, Foley, and Kimmy. I don't know what the hell's going on. No hand was put up. The disc was pulled. This is hilarious. Clearly they have the heat on because they ain't thinking straight. They need to turn the AC on to cool down and get their head right. I got jokes for days on this shit. Helps that I work for a freezer company.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'm joined in the booth by Frisco. Otherwise known as Emily, otherwise known as Parker. But on this team, her name's Frisco. Whoa. We got our O-line jump started. We've already broken their zone. And Foley is just eating up the disc. Dude's starving out there.
Oh. Come on, Brett. Attaboy. Oh, let's go, Aaron. Jeez Louise. Oh. Ooh. Ah. No call? Hell yeah. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Nice, Aaron. Good deep cut, Allison. Oh. Oh, shoot. Yeah. It's a turn. It's your turn. Attaboy, Brett. Oh. We've had better looks. It's all right. Also had worse. Yeah, here we go, Pinto. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Here we go! Maybe a timeout. Maybe a timeout. Wouldn't be bad. Yeah, Allison! Definitely in. 100% in. For sure in. There ain't no way. You got it. Hurt my soul. All right. Sounds like HVAC is going to be FM again. Not again. Getting those FM reps in. All right. Come on. Yeah, had a girl, okay? Yeah, go get it, Kimmy. Oh, jeez. It's all right. It's all right. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Whoopsie. Topsy-turvy here. There we go. There we go. That's a nice throw. Oh. Dang. Unfortunate. Lying to me. You're lying to a foreigner. That's taking way too much advantage.
We got Lubes, Emily, Peaches, Kimmy, Lex, Miller, and Parker.
Woo. All right.
Great heads up put of some sort. What just happened? Oh, now it says we only got 28 minutes. Oh, let's go back.
Come on, come on. Deep. My bad, my bad, my bad.
No, it's
Sorry, I'm trying to open my grocery bottle.
right. It's a good thing my noggin is protected.
All right.
Where's the horse's fifth leg on there?
Brett, that's horrifying to say. That's so rude. You pervert.
Have you ever been to a farm?
I grew up in Scotland. What do you think?
Have you ever seen any horse ever? It's got 5 legs. Tell me I'm wrong.
Someone has to.
Tell me
someone
I'm wrong.
has to stop you.
Tell me I'm wrong.
Horrific. Come on, drop one. Drop one. Drop one. All right, we got 3 people.
Missing action over here. Classic Brett.
Hey, tight, Kimmy. No up line. Oh yeah. Oh.
Wow. All right, this is going up. We got Foley, Parker, Emily, Nick J, Kimmy, and Abby. Gail. And the water bottle is still right here. And turned by Show. I'm sorry. I'm going to apologize in advance for my camera work.
That's okay. I missed whatever happened over here. I missed that.
That's fine. I missed it anyway, so it doesn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like taken care of before the end of the day. And then like he left and that never happened anymore.
Yeah.
But then this other like young payroll rep from a different company was like walked in our office one day and she's like, I just want to have a meeting with like one of the owners and I'm not leaving until I get one. And so she ended up she ended up getting a meeting with him and she was like, I'm gonna take care of you guys, and she proved that she would, and now we're with a different company too. So
Yeah.
like
Got some balls on
it matters. Yeah.
I like that.
Oh yeah.
All right, we got Nick J, Peaches, Parker, Kimmy, Lex, 27, Miller, and Matt. I'm sorry, Miller. I always do Miller dirty with that. At least Karen's not here to help me get confused.
Ooh.
And I have my prescription glasses on, so no excuses.
There we go.
Kimmy on the sideline.
Nope.
Nick J being covered by 4 people.
Yeah. Work, Nick!
Matt tacoing the shit out of the disc.
And one more. There we go.
Nick J for the score. Hell yeah, Nick J. Let's fucking go.
Okay, I'm no Brett, but here's the line we got. Matt, Brett, Pinto, Briscoe, Asa, Allison, and not Matt. Beautiful pull.
Nice, Asa. Good mark.
Ooh, lovely. The only thing I could think is that he could call a strip foul,
That's what I was thinking.
but I didn't think he got hands from this angle.
Are you done for the day?
Yeah, come on, Brett, be a dog there. Oh, overhead.
Yes,
So-
Briscoe.
There we go. I always get so nervous on those because people have to have like heads up. Come on, Brett. Yeah, dog!
Attaboy!
Woo! All right, we got Hannah, Lex, Abby, Mueller, Aaron, Lubes, and Asa.
Big dog line.
Hell yeah.
Who gave the Brit the disc? They done did it again. It's alright. Abby's got 2 weeks to lock in here. Now that Saratoga's over,
Oh yeah. Well,
Abby's gonna come out
3
firing.
weeks, I think.
A healthy Abby goes hard in Frisbee.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, we're off next week for practice, and then we have practice, and then sectionals.
Can't wait to rock sectionals.
Nice.
You gotta come in with that mindset.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Lex getting big. Oh my, what in the
Come on,
Abby's
Abby.
eating that.
Woo! No way.
Hungry dog. Abby's struggling to be the biggest, the largest on the field. She keeps just getting fouls called on her.
I know.
That Frisco foul call was crazy last game. I was like, whoa. When people are going up on 2 feet, most of the time you're launching straight up.
Yeah.
Like 98% of the time.
Oh yeah.
Also, in case you were wondering, my nuts are okay from yesterday.
That's good. I was wondering actually, but I didn't want to be that person to ask, you know. Wasn't sure what our like friendship level was yet.
Oh my god. I had to make film at least a little exciting for this game.
Yeah, there
This is
we
going to be brutal to watch.
Up!
Eat it up, Lubes! Eat it up! Got the disc going up. There's Parker, Peaches, Kimmy, Emily, Lex, Hannah, and Foley. Foley. Holy moly, we got Foley.
Ooh. That should be like a cheer if he scores.
Oh,
Oh no.
it's alright, we'll get this back.
Yeah.
Got some dogs out there.
It's just like the end of the day. Your hands probably super sweaty.
Oh yeah. I was telling Hannah, I hope she's back in the area next year.
Me too.
I would love to play with them again. It's too bad she can't be here for fall league or anything.
Oh, she can't. She's asking about it.
Oh, maybe she is.
For
Has she
fall league
graduated?
or for...
Oh,
Yeah.
HVAC score.
I think as a friend, that's something that's like a great asset.
We got Peaches, Kimmy, Gio, Nick J, Emily, Parker, Miller. I think I got everybody. And Gio is back. The Hess truck is back and better than ever.
Yeah, I think I heard Luke say he might play next.
Oh, Luke's lacing him up? Oh, where's the deep cut for Nick J? Alright. Emily to Gio, Gio to Emily. Rip it and rip it. Take Kimmy.
Hell yeah.
Oh, Kimmy.
She's a dog.
Got to stick 'em on them hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kimmy. Yeah.
Okay, we got not Aaron, Brett, not Matt, Briscoe, Pinto, Asa, and Allison. Oh, what a grab. Alright, we have Luke, Lex, Peaches, Lubes, Emily, Kimmy,
Fucking in. Who do I charge my commentary time?
Who should you charge it to?
Yeah.
Lubes.
Lubes. He's got a big wallet. I think he can get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can sell the
It's okay.
umbrella. Or poke my eye out. One of the two.
It's like this balance of being able to zoom in, out, move, hold the umbrella. Up!
Ooh, turn!
Oh.
Green light.
Go, Lex!
It's like Squid Game.
Go, Lex, go! I just want to go deep.
Like, will not go deep.
Well, I think the one guy in the middle was kind of looking to poach.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Kimmy.
Holy shit!
Oh,
Fuck yeah,
she's
Kimmy.
again.
Number of signups.
Okay.
Okay, so we have Allison, Pinto, Frisco, Abby, Asa, Nick, and Foley.
Yeah. Oh, D-line Foley.
Yeah. He plays D-line for his master's team.
Damn. 17, lanky as hell.
Mhm.
Up.
Up!
To their womp.
Oh!
Who caught it?
Wow.
Call travel in the end zone.
I was like, I'm done.
Well, you know what? It's all game. We're here because we're having fun.
Yeah.
And, you know, if you lose sight of that, it's tough to play.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta be tough mentally, especially on O-line. I mean, it's,
Yeah.
thank God I'm on D-line. At least you get scored on. You're like, well, that was supposed to happen.
Yeah. It's a hold, is what it is. I mean, it's still tough, like, mentally. I personally find it tougher to be D-line when it comes to mental.
Oh, yeah. You get the turn, you're like, well, time to clock in. Like,
Yeah.
my job's just getting started.
Kimmy's just fucking destroying now, dude. Alright, we have Pinto, Abby, Matt, Gio, Aaron, and Brett and Hannah, and they just dropped the full. Push further back! Push further back, Hannah! There we go. All right, we have Allison pulling, Hannah, Abby, Matt, Aaron, Brett, and Pinto. Are we Z or are we just a little poachy? Oh no, we're Z. Ooh, yeah, Pinto.
Up!
Up! Fire! Fire! Up,
Print down here! Print down here!
What's a break? Break! Break! Up! Up! Break!
Come on, come on, come on.
Up!
Okay, we have Lex, Miller, Frisco, Nick, Kimmy, Lubes, and Gio for O. Pole landed just before the line. Come on, Gio. Left, left, left. My left. You're right.
Let's go!
Go right now, Gio. What is it?
11-9.
Okay.
We're on service play. Doing a good job of covering that detail now.
Oh man, that's tough, and I totally missed that. Oops. David, you can bill me for the missed film. Yeah. Yes. Oh, go!
My. Kimmy's already she used all of her layout credits earlier
Yeah.
today, so. It's alright, get it back here, show!
For the record, they threw it into the ground last time, David.
Is he giving charity D's out?
Yeah, I don't know. But in case he's like rewatching the film for like stats or something, I don't want him to think that someone does anything crazy and I missed
Oh,
it.
he wants that.
Oh, Lex, so close.
What in the holy?
Ooh, good movement by them.
Wow. That would be 12. That would be a water timeout.
Yep.
The back of my calves would burn.
Yeah, my ankles are burnt at the top of my socks.
Oof. One on, one on, one on.
Gonna be better this time. Wasn't paying attention the last couple of times. They're soft.